Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fit the electric remote control option. Now this is a lithium battery system. The lithium battery is inside the roller blind tube, so there's no need to, you haven't got any batteries to change. All you get is a charger, which you plug into the charger port on the blind, which is there above the red button. Try not to press the red button because that will reset all the settings on the blind. Into the charging port, 2 to 3 hours maximum, it's normally fully charged. If used once or twice a day, which most blinds are, up and down, it'll last for 4 or 5 months before it needs charging again. Mine in the office and mine at home do last about 6 months before they need recharging. Anyway, the first thing you need to do is take it out of the headrail like we did on the manual option. So, spring-loaded end, control end. Push the spring-loaded end in and you can clip it out the headrail. Okay, mounting your headrail, again, same thing, into the brackets or on the brackets. Now the bracket doesn't go over the front, it goes on the lip further up the headrail, if you can see that, just there. So cover the bracket and then pull forward till it goes into the groove, like so. Then push at the back to clip it into place. So that's the headrail fitted. All we have to do now is clip the blind in, take the packaging off, now you can roll it down a little bit just to make it easier for you to get in that headrail. This is the aerial. Generally I snip a little bit off them just so it doesn't get caught in the material once it's in the headrail. Right, control end, spring-loaded end. Spring-loaded end in first, and then guide your control end into place. And make sure that's hooked over the bracket. So that's the blind up. Now we have to program it. So you'll have a control like this. You have five settings on it, which is basically blind 1, blind 2, blind 3, blind 4, blind 5. Next setting, they all light up. That's all the blinds. If you have 5 blinds, they will all go up and down at the same time. If you're just on number 1, the first blind will go up at the same time. If you're on number 3, the third blind will go up. Right, set it on a channel. We'll call this, I'm going to call this blind number 3 because we've got two others in this room. Channel 3. Now you have to set the blind by pressing the red button until the blind jogs. And then you've got 10 seconds only to press the confirm button on the back of the control. Right, now the control is synced with the blind. Next thing you have to do is make sure that it's going the right way. So press the down button. If the blind moves down, we're fine. To reverse it, you need to press the limit button and the stop button at the same time. That should reverse it. There you go. Now when I press the down button, it will go up. So in our scenario, we want to reverse it the other way. Now it'll go down again. Once you've got the material running in the correct direction, you need to set the limits. Now the down limit is first. So to set the downwards limit, press L until the blind jogs. There you go. Now press down. Get ready to stop it. Stop the blind just before it hits the windowsill, and then if you press the down button again, it will just jog one at a time so that you can get as close as you can to the windowsill. One more, there we go. And then press confirm. So that's the lower limit set. Now that for the higher limit, press the up button. You don't need to press the limit button again. Now you can either set it so it stops somewhere like that, so you can see a piece of fabric, or you can go all the way. Again, that'll jog until you get to the point where you want to set it. For me, I would probably leave it something like that. Press the confirm button. Okay, everything is done. Now test it, down button. And up again. Okay, spot on, exactly how I wanted it. And that's how you fit a motorised, rechargeable, cassetted roller blind. All can be bought off our website, blindsforyoudirect.co.uk. Thanks for coming.